In ECU software development, function specification models such as ASCII block diagram models or Simulink models are inherently hierarchical. When these models are converted into interactive models for eHandbook, these also stay hierarchical. Finding labels in these hierarchical functions is of course a challenge. If you have a function overview diagram like this here with 4 functions, there can be multiple hierarchy levels nested inside. Any of those hierarchies could now contain the label that you're interested in. In order to quickly find a label, which can be contained now in the hierarchies, simply open the local search box with Ctrl F or F3 and enter the label of interest. eHandbook Navigator will then not only search in the visible area of the diagram, but also in the hierarchies which are contained. Hierarchies which contain the label of interest either get an orange box for the current focus or a yellow frame. Double-click into the hierarchy to navigate in. The search results will then be highlighted in orange, which is the current selected search hit, or yellow. So here, the label that contains core enable is contained either in this hierarchy or in this hierarchy. So let's first go in this one. So here we can see the label of interest. And in this other hierarchy, there's another label which contains correction factor enable. You can use this feature also, for example, to identify specific kinds of labels, such as maps, if your labels are according to a specific naming pattern. Through this, you can easily find labels that you're interested in and then use the graphical maps to navigate to the place where they are located.